All right, so we're going to look at problem F here. In a certain class, 12 of the students are boys and 18 are girls. And what's asking for at the bottom here is what fraction of the total are girls and what percentage of the total are girls. An important word here is total, because you might think the total is somewhere in the problem, and in a sense it is, but they gave us 12 boys and 18 girls, so the total here in our tape diagram, of course, is going to be all the boys and girls together. When we add these up, we get there's 30 students in all. All right. We know that part of it is boys, 12 are boys and 18 are girls. I guess because the question's asking about girls, what I'm more concerned with is 18. Let's see, 30 is the whole amount, 15 is in the middle. That's 15, so 18 is going to be around here. So there's going to be 18 girls out of 30 students. We want both a fraction and a percentage. Well, so the bottom of our line is like sort of the people, 18 girls out of 30 students. Of course, this other piece here would stand for boys then. That would be the other 12 people. So on the top, I still have 0. And I could either think of this as 100% or 1 whole. And again, these are the same thing. 100% is 100 out of 100, which is 1 whole. So this all works, and it's all the same thing. The easiest part is the fraction. So when they say what fraction of the total are girls, well, it's 18 out of 30. So that one you could just sort of straight up just go 18 out of 30. 18/30ths of the total, right? That's the fraction of the whole class that is girls, 18 out of 30. We can simplify. I'm going to divide by, I can divide by 2 for sure because they're even. And that'll give me 9 out of 15. And you might want to stop, but if you're a savvy number person, you'll look at these and say, I can divide these by 3 again. So divide by 2, divide by 3. I could have divided by 6 right away. That would have been the fastest way. And I end up getting 3/5 of the class are girls. All right. Percents is a little trickier, but I think it's going to come out all right. So back up here, we know 18 girls and 30 out of 30 students, so we're going to put our X right here. You could figure this out in any number of ways, but I'm going to do one of those little fraction equaling a fraction, the proportion equations is what I call it. So I'm going to say X% corresponds with 18 girls, just like 100% corresponds with 30, the whole. So this is one way I could have set it up, and I can cross multiply here. I end up getting 30 times X, that's this right here, equals 18 times 100, which is going to be, well, that's just 1800 or 1800. If I divide by 30, divide by 30, this actually goes in quite nicely. The answer ends up being 60. All right, so what does 60 stand for? If I go back in the problem, 60's on top here. So it stands for a percentage, right? So what it just told me is that the percentage is 60%. So there's my answer, 60%. So there you go. That's one way to solve it. You could have also figured it out up here other ways. Like, for example, if 30 students is 100%, you could have divided, I suppose, both of these by 30 and found one student, and that would have been 3.3 repeating percent. And, that would have been another way to multiply it up and see if you can get to a nice number there. All right. I hope that helps. Good luck.